Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about brain science and specifically about a food that you should avoid if you want to stay healthy. This may come as a surprise to some of you, but trust us, we know what we're talking about. So without further ado, let's get started. Did you know that what you eat can have a direct impact on your brain health? It's true. The food you consume can affect your mood, your energy levels, your ability to focus, and even your risk of developing dementia or Alzheimer's disease. And while there are many positive foods that you can eat to boost your brain power, there are also some negative foods that you should avoid. One of these negative foods is sugar. In the last 50 years, the consumption of sugars has tripled worldwide since they were added to almost all processed foods. For this reason, and for all the negative repercussions it has on both the body and the brain, they have become one of the main public health problems of the 21st century. This is why the World Health Organization suggests strictly reducing sugar intake to less than 10% of total daily caloric intake, which implies less than 50 grams per day. Do you know, 80% of the processed products that we can find in a supermarket contain hidden sugars that we consume without realizing it. Being able to finally add excess into soft drinks, condiments, canned foods, candies, jams, commercial soups, cubes, sauces, salad dressings, commercial mayonnaises, snacks, among others. Now, let's see. How does the body react to sugar? Sugar, since it is a light component, is quickly absorbed by our body, generating a sudden increase in blood glucose. This, in turn, triggers increased secretion of insulin through the pancreas, thus accelerating the passage of sugars into cells that then use them for fuel. By doing this process, blood glucose drops rapidly, so our body feels hungry again. In any case, it is an even bigger vicious circle, which leads us to consume more carbohydrates and sweets. On the other hand, it increases the levels of adrenaline and cortisol, which can later lead to emotional and behavioral changes. When the time comes to distribute glucose throughout the bloodstream, the brain is always the one that has priority over the rest of the organs, since glucose is its primary source of energy. And it uses it both to maintain the activity of the neurons that it retains, as well as for the proper functioning of dopamine and serotonin, both cells linked to moods. What is correct in adequate amounts is harmful in excess, especially for the brain. That vital organ can feel choked by the constant and, of course, sometimes abnormal levels of insulin. And finally, it can cause the brain to stop working properly. It is also known that there is a very present interaction between the metabolic and immune systems. High blood sugar levels can trigger the release of some pro-inflammatory substances secreted by the immune system into the bloodstream, such as interleukin-6, responsible for generating low-grade chronic inflammation, but which spreads throughout the body and, specifically, to the brain. In addition, a research data published by Scientific Reports in 2017 showed that those people who consume excessive sugars have a 23% higher probability of suffering brain and emotional disorders in the future, which can often lead to much more severe and irreversible situations, as well as disorders in other parts of your body. So, next time you're grocery shopping, make sure to choose more whole foods over processed foods. And if you do eat processed foods, check the labels to see if they contain refined sugar. Avoiding refined sugar is a simple way to improve your health. We hope that after watching this video, you'll be inspired to subscribe to our channel. We promise to provide you with high quality and informative content that you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching.